Hello and welcome back. We are ready to create a job. So we've already filled out the subcontractor information and the car information. So under the car in which we want to create the job, we're going to click on this yellow orangish button and we're going to hit create job. Here we are. Okay, this software is smart. So it remembers names from the database. So you should only be able to input the first few letters of the trucking company tab out of it and it will remember the information. So here we have one. Review it. Now we have our pilot driver. We can switch that out as long as he's in the database. And now we're ready to input the truck driver. It's important that you input this information because these two drivers will likely communicate. Let's give them a name. George, Grant, making stuff up. If this is somebody's phone number, I am sorry. Truck number, trip number. Okay, here we have load description. We can choose. Let's do start location, beautiful Colorado Springs, Colorado. In location, let's do Sacramento, California. Alright, status, let's make this a new job. How we want paid, ACH, wire transfer. Here we are to charges. Pay attention to this box. This is our totals box. Let's do some charges here. Let's do mileage. We're going to add the charge. How many miles did we travel? Let's put 1,100 miles. Okay, rate per mile, let's put 60 cents. Okay, and this should be reflected up at the top, and it is. Okay, let's add some more. Let's do a day rate. Add the charge, how many days? It's 3 days. Okay, rate per day, let's do 300. And then we can add notes here with the date. Anything interesting that happened, we can add the date, add a note. We can do that right there. Alright, so that's reflected up here, as you can see. Oh, wait a minute, I only worked 2 days, not 3 days. We can delete that. Okay, and it's reflected again in the charges box. Let's do one more. Let's do downtime, add the charge. Let's see, number of dates, let's do 1. Number of hours, let's do 7 hours. Okay, rate for downtime, let's do 75. And see, when was I down? Let's do here. Why was I down? I can add it here. Okay, so you can see that as well is reflected on the top here, the job total. Okay, we're ready to save the job. The blue button, it says record inserted successfully. And scroll down, here it is on the top here. We can go to the right and you can see where you can edit it, where you can save it, and where you can trash it. Be careful with that button because it gets rid of it. That's it for now. We'll go over the save button and the create invoice in the next video. Thank you.